Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Hadian belami ke jing bertan nak syitnyam Hindu kabadan hak jala Assam ya kabala tiap kum ka kutumba suraksha parishad man pinwet ya galai kawan ya ki kali Meghalaya sha Assam lada omweng no ya jing khang mani blai ki Hindu hamau jembun usumbun menteri rang ba ka jala ba prestun song ulaong mabaro ki de ben tiap ya ka an bat Khyndew hapo ka jala Meghalaya habakran bigala pathai khubor ba prestun song ulapan pau ba mau jembun kamdei ka jaka jong sarkar bat baro ki de basngau thu bat ki de ben tiap halok jinglong trai ka Khyndew ka siap hapo ka jala Meghalaya hakabai dei ba gibriyo gi bam suthu halok rukom bat Khyndew hapo ka jala wa prestun lokhat bakin wan banwan banya khrang bakin tip ya jing sha baro halok lan tenure system ba ka jala ga don.
I think let us go back to the history of this Mauchambui. Number one, that particular place does not belong to the government. And they need to understand one thing, whoever from outside the state, they need to know exactly the land tenure system that we have here in the state of Meghalaya. Those people who don't understand, I would request, come study and you will know exactly what is the land tenure system that we have. Even the government, if we want to take over that place, we cannot unless the landowners is willing to, unless the Shnong, the right, the Dorbar or the state are also in the same page, then only we'll be able to do it. So therefore, I would like to appeal to such organization, be it within the state or outside the state, let us also understand the reality, the land tenure system that we have here, because no one is above the system that we have. No one is above the, the traditional practices that we have. So I think we need to understand.